Let's talk about natural monopoly. So, natural monopoly is a monopoly where barriers to entry are something other than a legal prohibition. So, one would be economies of scale. So, let's say that the monopoly is just really massive and they have really low production costs, and again, they have economies of scale. A newcomer is not going to be able to compete with that, especially if they don't have economies of scale, right? Because this much bigger company uh, can produce a lot more and cut down their prices. New firms are not going to be able to do that. They're not going to be able to lower their prices. So it just creates a really hard um, to enter the market. Secondly, a private ownership.